Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tina. Guess what? I am so excited. I found out a product that will help my daughter's hair. I'm so excited. We're gonna be using flaxseed as a hair detangler, and also it's a good hair moisturizer. About to take down my hair. I'm gonna be adding it to my hair. Guys, I can't wait. I'm so happy. Oh hey guys, this is the seed I'm talking about. Flaxseed. I bought this from Whole Food. Yeah, that's where I found it, because I didn't find it at Walmart. The one I found at Walmart is like the one I use to lose weight, because this can help you lose weight. If you watch my other video on weight loss, it's a good hair moisturizer, like a very good hair moisturizer, and it can literally detangle hair. I'm gonna show you all on my daughter's hair, but me, I'm gonna be using this as well, so stay tuned. So I'm gonna be putting a handful like this. This is the water, and it's on medium high. I'm gonna be using a spoon to turn it so that every single seed will be submerged in water. I'll be turning this every now and then until I get the texture that I need, and we all are gonna see it together. So let's start cooking. So guys, this is not the texture that I want. So it's boiling though, but this is not the texture that I want. But I will show y'all as it keeps boiling. I'll show y'all the texture that we need. Look at God. This is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. And that's the texture we want. That's the texture. Look at that. It looks like it's, you remember how regular water is, but this one looks like it's I'll say it draws. It's like someone drooling. That's what it feels. It looks like. But it needs to be mucousy. So look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. All right, we're done. Cooling time. Okay, guys. You know, some people let it cool before they sieve it, which for me it's harder. So I think I'm gonna sieve it first. I know it's still hot, but I'm gonna sieve it first before so it can start cooling after sieving it, so I don't have to try to get the seeds out and everything. So let's sieve it right now. I think it makes more sense if you sieve it now. It's hot, because the thickness will be easier to get past my sieve than when it's already cooled, and then it's hard to get the sieve out, the seeds out. All right, guys, let's sieve down. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be going in much better than, I don't know if y'all can see it from under, but it goes quicker than when it cools down. It's hard to like get the seed out. So I think this is much better once it's still hot. Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna show y'all. See how super easy. It's like quicker to come out, but when it's cool, you have to be pushing and trying to get the, look at that. Look at that. What texture is this? I don't even know what to call it, but what's it called? It's so smooth. Very smooth. Oh my Lord, I love it. So this is it, guys. This is the texture we're looking for. So when it cools down, it's gonna be different. It's gonna be a different texture, like it's gonna be more thicker than before. Y'all remember this? This is my coconut oil. If you watch my other video on my smoothie, this is the same. I always save this from my coconut oil container. So let me show you all what it looks like. I always like to use coconut oil. So this is what it looks like, and it's organic coconut oil. And this is, how many liters is this again? Oh, 1.66 liters. That's what it is. So all right, guys, this I save, and this is what I use it for mostly. This and my smoothie and other things. It helps a lot instead of going to buy more. So let's leave it to cool, and then we'll use it for the hair.
I said leave him. I don't want to say, don't, mommy is busy.
And flaxseed is really good for hair growth. It helps a lot with hair growth. If you read it up, it has a lot of benefits, So we're still cooling this. All right, guys, here we go. Got them in here. And our hair is so tangled, very tangled. If you can see. So let's see if this will help. Oh my goodness. Let's see if flaxseed will really help do this thing. Let's see if we can do the magic. So spread the hair little parts here and there. Look at the texture. Can you see this? That's the texture. I love it. That's the texture, guys. Okay, let's part another. We keep going. I can't even put a comb in this hair right now. No brush can go in. So that's why I'm just using my finger to pat the hair. Getting it all the way to the edge. And I'm gonna use my hair moisturizer. You all know how I did the aloe vera hair moisturizer. You should go watch my other video on how I got my aloe vera hair moisturizer. So after all this, I'm gonna apply that as well. So we want the hair to be as moist as very moisturized, because she has a very dry hair. This is so nice. Like, look at that. I haven't even done anything, and look at what it looks like. I can't wait to start brushing it. This is gonna take a while, but all right, guys, we're all done. So I was patting it. I'm like trying to tie it up so it wouldn't go. So it's all done. Everything is done. So I patted the hair and everything went in. So old fashioned way. Tie them up. Let me see your eyes. Better? What's wrong? That's how we wait. Waiting for the time. Alright, guys, let's see if it works. our 1 hour is over. Ooh, still sipping water. It works. It works. This is. Oh my. So guys, it does work. So I will recommend, and it softens. It's very soft. It makes the hair soft as well. So, and her hair has been dry, but this is so soft. It makes it soft. So now that I brushed it out, I'm gonna finish brushing these ones out. But flaxseed is really good for your hair. It's good for your hair growth. It detangles the hair. As you can see, this is the result. And you all know my daughter's hair is really dry and thick. So it detangles the hair, it grows the hair, and also it moisturizes the hair. Guys, this is what's left. So I'm gonna be using this because I took my hair down too. So I'll be using this. My 1 hour is over. I'm gonna brush it out. Let's see what happens. So 1 hour is over. So let's see what happens. I just took down my hair without brushing it. So see, that's the problem I have. I always take down my hair without brushing it because I wanted the curls in there. Guys, there we go. So flaxseed detangling helps your hair grow. Look at that, look at that. Watch this. So this is it, guys. I know. I'm gonna leave this in her hair. I'm not gonna wash it off. It's gonna be like a leave-in conditioner. So this is good for daily use. Another thing is, if you don't want to do daily, you can do 3 times a week. It's almost all the same. So, but this, like right now, I'm not gonna do nothing else. I'm not gonna wash it off. It's just gonna be in her hair until I braid her hair. So I'm just gonna dry him after this, and that's it. So it's gonna be in her hair until I wash it off the next time I take down her hair. But so far, this is it. That's how it's gonna be. All right, guys.